When it comes down to the best side hustle, this is the best business model, hands down. Alright, so I keep getting DMs after DMs asking, bro, what's the best business model to start? What should I get into? Should I trade? Should I start crypto? Should I do drop shipping? Should I TikTok shop? Should I start an agency? My personal opinion, when it comes down to your first business model, you want to find the most easiest and reliable source of income and a guarantee when it comes to profiting. You know, you don't want to be wasting your time and then you find out that, you know, you ain't really profiting or really making that bread like you really, you thought you would. So me personally, the best business model to start in 2023 going into 2024 is eBay dropshipping. So a lot of people be wondering, what's eBay dropshipping? Michael, what's this? What's that? You will see a lot of people ask questions, but then they don't put no work in. I give the sauce out for free in my Discord channel. So before we get into this video, click the link in the description. Get a 3 free day trial in my Discord chat. I'm dropping all the sauce on eBay dropshipping. Plus you get an eBay dropshipping guide, and you get a free Excel spreadsheet to keep track of all your products and your P&L. The guide, 3-day free trial, and the spreadsheet all will be provided once you click that link. Like I said, it's a 3-day free trial. You get access to all the sauce in the chat. We sit here and come together as a community, and we sit here and come together as a collective, and we share each other's knowledge. But let's get back into the video. The best business model to start in 2023 going into 2024 with no money down is eBay dropshipping. So I say eBay dropshipping is the most lucrative business and a no-brainer business to start because easy. You don't have to have no money startup. All you have to do is have an eBay account. You have to have a debit card and just being knowledgeable and able to follow rules. People try to wonder, do I have to have money? Do I have to have inventory? Do I have to buy the inventory and keep it on my personal? And personally, I don't advise people to buy any inventory unless the product has been bought off the store. Once the product has been bought off the store, then you want to go find your trusted supplier to find that product, find a supplier that you listed the item from. You put the buyer's information, and that way that item is shipped from the supplier to your buyer, not touching the product at all. So this business model is really a bag getter, man. I've been doing eBay dropshipping for the last 4 to 5 years, and I started with Shopify, but to start off in the beginning is really cost worthy. You gotta have that bag in order to start like a real dropshipping business. With eBay, you're just creating an account, you have a store on the marketplace, and you're listing items at least every single day, and it's a no-brainer to sit here and get that bag and really run it up. So like I said, you get up in this chat, all the sauce that we provide in the chat, like days upon days, going crazy. So if you guys need help on getting started with dropshipping, like I said, it's an easy business model, guys. It's really an easy business model to start. Really take your bag to the next level. And the only way to take your bag to the next level is to invest in yourself and really put your best foot forward and see, what these businesses is really hitting for, because a lot of people like to start businesses and never a guarantee on how much bread you gonna make when you first starting off. That's why me personally, I got into eBay dropshipping, because at the end of the day, eBay dropshipping just came off to me as like a easy, simple business model. And when I started making my first bag within the first month, my eyes just like brighten up, because at the end of the day, you start seeing like opportunity is really endless, depending on how much work you're trying to put in. So if you ain't trying to put in no work, you thinking you gonna sit here and just list a couple items and just be BSing and bullshitting, then you just wasting your time. You best off just working a 9 to 5. But if you really want to turn up with this bag, you really want to be running a 6-figure online e-commerce store from eBay, tap in, hit the link in the description. You get a 3-day free trial, a free course, and a free spreadsheet, and keeping a track of all your P&Ls and your orders going into 2024. It's really all about the bag. Like, that's the one thing, that's the reason why I did not stop dropshipping, because when it comes down to this business model, bro, you really don't gotta do nothing, bro, besides just keeping up with your orders. If you a lazy motherfucker, then that's the only excuse you really got. But if you a person who really about that bag, really want to go to the next level, then man, this could really be a bag getter that replace that 9 to 5 that you working at. I know a lot of motherfuckers, I know a lot of y'all working 9 to 5s, Like I said, hit the link in the description. You get access to my Discord community chat where we all sit here and discuss straight sauce in the chat. So you get a 3-day free trial, including dropshipping 101 course to get started going in 2024. And on top of that, you get the Excel spreadsheet. So that's a 3-in-1. If you don't click on the link, then you don't want to get no money. You might as well just click off this video. So like I said, starting this business model is a must. Like I said, it's only going to get more saturated as we move on into the new years to come. E-commerce has been thriving for the last 4 to 5 years, and especially COVID. Once COVID hit, e-commerce then jacked up and crazy with the bag. So like I said, I'm still going crazy. Like I said, I was able to make my first 5 figures within the first 3 to 4 years of dropshipping, and this is just off of one store alone. I'm not even counting my other 2 stores that made me profits on end. So like I said, like, you know, taking in consideration, you know, if somebody see the opportunity and they presenting you the opportunity and providing free sauce, it's only up to you to make the opportunity to present yourself. You know, like I said though, when it comes down to this bag, man, and the opportunity presents itself, you know, hop on this bag, man. Everything gonna eventually get oversaturated. It's either you in or you out, and if you wait too long, the bag ain't gonna always be here. Next year come, top of next year, everybody be running the bag up on e-commerce, you miss your chance. I provided the sauce in the chat. I provided the sauce through the free YouTube videos, and it's free sauce that I'm dropping every week. So it's up to you to take that opportunity and thrive to that next level. You know, we ain't talking about college. We ain't talking about that scam. Everything's at the palm of your hands. Like I say, a lot of motherfuckers complain. They say that, oh, it's too hard, or this, nothing's too hard, man. I could sit here and wake up every single day and scroll on Facebook. I could sit here and gossip. I could sit here and do all this bullshit, but you can't sit here and get to the bag and be consistent every day. There's nothing hard about getting to the bag. This right here is the ultimate bag getter. I don't see no other business model that's letting you start up little to no capital. You don't have to have no website. All you have to do is have an account. From there, you're going crazy with it. Like I said, take that in consideration. You go and run the bag up, and then you diversify your bread on different platforms. Go crazy with it. So like I said, tap the link in the description. If you guys need help, click that 3-day free trial. Comes with a course, also with the spreadsheet, get you started. Let's turn up all 2024. People who join the chat, I want to see y'all turn up with this bag. Everybody need to be running this bag up off e-commerce. It's literally just free money, free bread that you get. Once the buyer buys the fucking item off your store, you then ship it out through your supplier, and then you collect the profit. It's that simple. When it comes down to the best side hustle, this is the best business model, hands down. And yeah, basically that's it. If y'all found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody you know who really want to turn up and get to this bag, man. I'm only looking for people who really want to get to the bag. Don't be wasting my time. Click the link in the description. Let's get it. It's your boy Mike, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.